this is something that I probably will have never gotten and will probably never get. For them, it's like as long as you prove yourself, we're always gonna support you. I think YouTube में Candy के अभी भी जो आधे views है ना सारे मेरे parents ने किए होंगे. Because even for Candy, it was such a unique way of portraying this girl. But one thing that would be a little tricky is playing somebody who's much older to I am.
रुद्रकुंड ऊपर से जितना खूबसूरत दिखता है ना, अंदर से उतना ही घिनौना है.
Well, a quite interesting and a thrilling story जो कि बहुत जल्द वुड सेलेक्ट पे हमें नजर आने वाली है. जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रही हूँ कैंडी की, जिनमें आपको एक नहीं दो नहीं बल्कि काफी बड़े multiple number of characters दिखाई देंगे. We're gonna ace and I'm gonna tell you a story that's gonna leave you completely stunned also. Well, today I'll have with me Riddhi, who's gonna be a part of the series and is gonna be seen playing the role of Kalki. तो आइए चलिए मेरे यानी विशाखा के साथ बुलाते हैं रिद्धि को और जानते हैं what all went behind the preparation of the character, why did she choose the role, a bonding on the set, and a lot more from the series Candy. Well, I would say firstly, welcome to Telly Chakkar. It's a pleasure having you, Riddhi, here. And congratulations for Candy. Looks quite promising when I see the trailer. क्या बताना चाहेंगी अपने किरदार के बारे में and you know how was the experience all completely towards the series Candy?
My character, I mean, her name's Kalki, and she is from this place called Rudrakund. She comes from a very small town, and she has seen a lot of suffering in her life that has, you know, formed her character to have a lot of walls up against herself. And but she's also like a softie at heart. I mean, she's very innocent. She's not seen like a lot of things, you know, outside her small village and you know, from the outer world. So she likes to protect herself and the people that are close to her. And about Candy, I mean, it's a very exciting series. It's got incredible artists. I mean, Ronit sir, Richa ma'am, Manurshi sir, Gopal sir. So it was really exciting to work with all of them. And you know, like to even talk to them, because even as people, they're so intellectual and artistically endowed. So it was great. It was a fun experience.
But then I would say that, you know, while approaching the character, as you said about your character itself, what was your first take जब आपको brief किया गया about your character, and also when you read about it, you got that basic understanding about the character. What was your approach towards it?
The moment I got the character, you know, the first film that I was told to watch was this film called Stoker. And when I saw it, I felt like, you know, this is something that I probably will have never gotten and will probably never get, because it's such an interesting character. And so my first instinct was just like, kuch bhi ho, ye to karna hi hai. So because it's such a fun series, and in that you get to play Kalki, who is so incredible in every way. I mean, she's very mysterious. You don't know what's up with her, what she's doing, what she's thinking. So it's like, kuch bhi kar lo, sab sahi hai. You know, whatever I perform, it's like, haan, because that's Kalki.
You know, when I saw the trailer and the promo, I was quite intrigued to know कि अच्छा क्या next, like, you know, what is gonna unfold next. So on the sets while you were shooting, because you obviously knew that, you know, script में क्या लिखा है, but on the point of improvising and, you know, working with such great actors, such senior actors, I would say, जिनसे सीखने को बहुत मिल रहा था. So was it like that you were also a little scared that okay, कुछ गलत ना हो जाए, that, you know, मेरे कान को delay ना हो, मेरे कान कोई problem ना हो, that way around?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, so this is my first Hindi web series, and it's the first thing that I started shooting for. So of course I was very I mean, a little nervous in that sense. I was extremely jittery because I was like, I mean, I'm getting to work with Ronit Roy and Richa Chadda. They're known for their craft, you know, and I have most of my scenes with Ronit sir. So it was like, of course, you know, the thing bursting in my head is like, mere karan kuch galat na ho, retake na ho jaye, main late na ho jaye, ye wo. So because of that, you know, I would always reach the set earlier. And Ronit sir has a pattern in which, you know, he likes to do his readings and rehearsals for like at least an hour and a half that we do it. And then we move on to shooting when the light and camera is being set up and everything. So that time we used to do the entire rehearsal and all. And of course, I mean, I want to work like a little extra hard. Like I'll be like, ये dialogue मुझे मतलब नींद में भी पूछोगे तो आने चाहिए. You know, because these are those things जिससे गलती से भी कुछ गलत ना हो जाए. In a way, मतलब thriller shoot करते करते मेरे अंदर भी वही चल रहा था. Like I was just like, okay, क्या हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है. And it's very new because I've never worked in that sort of an atmosphere where, you know, I mean, they're such senior people, but at the same time they'll just chill with you, they'll talk to you. So yeah, so initially I was a little jittery, and then
But then was there any feedback, or was there any let's say a compliment or a comment about your work, about your craft, about anything in that matter that you got from, you know, from Richa Chadda or maybe Ronit sir?
I mean, yeah, Ronit sir used to. So Richa ma'am I didn't get to shoot a lot with. because my graph does not go in that direction.
Yes.
Ronit sir, yes, definitely, and even Ashish sir. I mean, he was my director, and there was this. I think there was this one scene that we did where Ronit sir just came to me and he's like, "Really, well done." And for me, that was just like, so. And because, for an artist of his caliber complimenting me in that sense, because I knew he was being so serious about it, it felt incredible. And so did when Ashish said it, towards the end of the shoot, when we were doing this underwater sequence and all. It just felt so nice. And मतलब ऐसे होते रहता है, but at the same time, you're just like, you're just so confused about everything.
Okay, on the same note that, when I see the trailer Candy and, as their lines, okay, Candy mein mila ke drugs diye ja rahe hain, the school life, the college life, somewhere down the lane, each one of us has had that kind of an experience that maybe our friends, somebody in our circle has maybe, gotten towards that wrong side of the lane. That, okay, let's try that thing. Have you ever experienced a friend or any past incident that, a friend of yours or somebody you knew about had actually been a prey to all these scenarios of, being a part of the circle?
So touch wood, but I've been lucky enough to not experience that part of, existence yet, because I belong to an army family, and, our cantonment areas are always so far away from the city. I don't get much time to party or hang around and stuff. I haven't seen it, but of course I've heard stories of people, and I think it's pretty sad the way it happens.
But then what was your parents' reaction that, when you told them that, being an army child, I would love to be a part of the showbiz industry, and then, about the series itself, like, what was your parents' take on it?
So the thing is that my parents have been very trusting and free in that sense. For them, it's like, as long as you prove yourself, we're always going to support you. And also because, we share a bond wherein I tell them everything and they tell me everything. So they trust me throughout the process of it. So when I wanted to be a part of this industry, it was long time back, and I was a model before. I used to do pageants and stuff. So for them, it was just that karna hai kar lo, agar kuch mil raha hai to theek hai, So I did pageants. I won a lot of them when I was in Pune. And then, they started developing this trust in me that, okay, she really is so serious about it. And then I did short films. I used to assist my friend at FTII, when he used to work on his films. So throughout that, they understood that I really want to get into it and I'm working my way for it. Also felt that, okay, she's done with her education. She wants to try out something. So then my dad luckily got posted to Bombay. I did not know anything about, how auditions happen, what they are, where do you go, what is casting, anything. Because I am, दूर से कोई नाता नहीं है मेरा इस industry से. So then they used to see me that I used to travel from Colaba to Andheri, which is like a 2-hour one-way distance. So every day I would travel 4 hours just to like give a 5-minute audition or just to knock on a door and be like, is there anything and stuff. So yeah, and although after I had done films, so I've done films in South as the lead. So, and they were under big productions and all, but after doing all of that, if I want to start from scratch in Hindi and I want to do everything, so then they understood that I worked pretty hard for it. So they're very excited and they're very supportive.
But then I would love to know this thing that, एक होता है उनको बताना और एक होता है खुद को एक hoarding पे देखना, and they getting to see you and then getting to know their reaction. Okay, mom dad का reaction कैसा, because they are the biggest critic. They will never lie to you. So how was their feedback, when they saw Candy ka trailer and when they've seen your past work? How was their feedback when they really saw you there on the screen,
The first time they ever saw me was like when my trailer came out for like my first film in South. It was a Telugu film, and my father was posted at field. So he had to take a chopper for 3 hours, travel to a spot where there was internet so that he could see me. And he did that, yeah. And they were so excited that, they like, I think YouTube में Candy के अभी भी जो आधे views है ना, सारे मेरे parents ने किए होंगे. Because they're always like so in awe of, everything that their child would do. I mean, any parent would be. And I've just been lucky in the sense that they understand my passion and they understand that, I really want to work for it. So they are very excited. I mean, they're just waiting for the 8th ki chalo abhi dekhte hain. And my father's posted at Siachen base camp right now. So he again has to travel for good internet, but I'm sure he will and watch it.
I'm sure he's going to be the first one watching, and I'm very sure about that one.
Yeah.
Okay, moving ahead quickly, I would love to know that, now that you've made your Hindi, ek tarike se Hindi debut is what exact word should be here. So what kind of roles are you expecting, or maybe you want to play? Like, you know, the kind of roles that you want to see yourself in.
You know, roles that always have this sense of self-realization, roles that have a graph wherein they change from what they were to another person altogether.
Yeah.
Those are the roles that excite me, because basically I get to play two characters in one show or film or whatever. So I am expecting those kind of roles, and I'm pretty excited for it. I feel like I've performed decently in Candy. So I think that I just like those type of roles, and I would really like to work on them, you know, which are challenging, because even for Candy, it was such a unique way of portraying this girl that उसमें ज़्यादा कोई reference as such था नहीं. There was like a couple of films that I was told to watch, but that's about it, you know. A role wherein you get to create the entire personality by yourself.
In that case, the last thing I would love to know here is that I'm sure that this is what you want to play, but there might be one such role that you think that you really can't play because you know what tough hoga, or maybe it may be out of a league or something for that matter. But then, if given a chance, you would want to play that. वो कौन सा है? वो genre कौन सा है? That you know will be maybe a little tricky one, but you would love trying that one.
Yeah, I was not prepared for these questions. Tricky, in that sense, tricky would probably be playing something that is because you know I love playing characters that do not come from my background or anything, that are very unique. But one thing that would be a little tricky is playing somebody who's much older to I am, because you know it's a complete change in the voice, the body language, the small idiosyncrasies of an individual. So I think that would be quite tricky for me. Yeah, but that I would really like to play, because that would be so exciting.
Well, I would say that I would love watching you someday down the line in a role that is like, let's say, a person who's like a split personality, or maybe that, you know, the psychotic kind of that scene. Because when I talk to you right now, I find you that the sweet and the bubbly girl. But then that's going to be too interesting to see how the sweet and bubbly girl will transform into a psychotic person, and you know, the whole fact behind it. So I don't know, but I feel that way now. But the last thing that I would really love to know here is that, you know, the fans are going to watch Candy. They're going to love the whole series, is what I'm expecting. But if I would ask you, what is that one scene that you think that they will love the most about, maybe जहाँ पे आप हैं, or maybe जहाँ पे आपका और रौनक सर का bonding दिख रहा है, anything? But वो एक scene ऐसा कौन सा है जो आपका favorite भी है, and then you know that they will love it?
I'm really excited for, to be very honest, is something that I cannot reveal. So please subscribe to Wood Select.
No, but then a little brief. I'm not saying that get into the completely crux of it, just like an overview. That's it.
I think, well, apart from that scene, there's this one scene which I'm really excited for. It was an underwater scene that I did with Ronit sir. So that was really exciting for me, because it was under the water and it was like, you know, it was a lot of fun. But I think honestly, any scene with Ronit sir has been like one of my favorites. There's this one scene where we're sitting on a bench and we're just conversing with each other, and I love like conversational scenes because you can keep them so real and authentic, and that's it, and we're just talking, and I love that scene. That's like my favorite scene, I think, apart from the one that I'm saying you have to subscribe to watch.
Surely, but then it's a pleasure having you here. But any parting words for your fans who are going to watch you soon? I'm saying that any parting words for the fans that who are going to watch you very soon on Candy? कुछ कोई message है उनके लिए आपके पास?
Any parting words would just be please subscribe to Wood Select and watch Candy on the 8th of September, because I have done it and I'm so excited to show you whatever we have in store for you.
I would just wish you all the luck, and I would wish all the team, complete team of Candy, a good luck for the new series. It's a pleasure having you here, and I hope that we'll connect soon for something new that you're going to sign up pretty soon.
Yes, you will. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching today's chat session with me, Vishakha Pandit, जहाँ आज मेरी मेहमान थी Candy series की किरदार रिद्धि यानी कि काल्की. Well, yeah, she's super excited for the series to go on here. After all, it's her Hindi debut. Well, we really hope that you guys enjoyed today's Candid chat session, and if yes, don't forget to tell us in the comment section below. Until then, stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the more updates about the Tele world.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.